Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we're doing a quick revision on speed time graphs. Be answering questions from 2022. By the way, exam questions from 2022 up to 2025, somewhere there. I won't be giving long explanation, but just clear answers and key points to help you get ready fast. Let's just start answering questions. Yeah, so as you can see, this one is from 2022 paper 1 GCE. We've been given a diagram, and in the first question you are asked to calculate the acceleration of the car during the first 5 seconds. So we're going to use the formula for acceleration. I'm sure you all know the formulas. The formula for acceleration is acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity over time. Yeah, so the question is saying during the first 5 seconds, meaning from here to there. So our final velocity is 20. So we're just going to indicate there. Say 20 minus the initial is 0. So 0 over the time is 5 seconds. 5 seconds is equal to 20 over 5. We're going to get 4 meters per second. Don't forget to indicate the units. So let's now go to question B. Question B. The question is saying find the value of t given that the total distance traveled was 550 meters. Yeah, so they want us to find the value of t, the t here, given that the total distance traveled for the whole journey was 550 meters. So what are we going to do now? So first of all, you're just going to ask yourself, what shape is this? So as you can see, the whole shape here is the trapezium. So to find the value of t, we're going to use the formula for area. When it comes to trapezium, it's in, so you say distance is equal to half a plus b times height. Yeah, so this is how we calculate the distance for trapezium. Now what's our a and what's our b and what's our h? So our a, you can choose any between this and this. So let's name this one as a, and let's name this distance as b. So now yeah, so what's our h? Our h is the distance from here to there, that's 20, and we've been given the distance, which is 550 meters. We're just going to replace here. 550 is equal to 1 over 2. Then our a from here to there is 25 minus 5 is 20. So we say 20 plus, what's our b? From here to there, it's t minus 0. So you say t minus 0. What's our height? Our height is 20. So you say 20. Then this one, can just cancel it with this one, then we remain with 10 here. So you say 550 is equal to 10 times 20, it's 200, plus 10 times t, it's 10t, 10 times 0, it's 0. Yeah, so 550 minus 200 is equal to 10t. What's 550 minus 200? Should be 350. 350 is equal to 10t. We divide both sides by 10, even here by 10, then t is equal to 35. 10 into this one, it's 35. That's all. Let's go to the next question. The next question is saying, calculate the average speed for the whole journey. Yeah, so calculate the average speed now for the whole journey. So we say, see, what's the formula for the average speed? Average speed is equal to distance over time. So average speed is equal to, we've been given the total distance, that's 550. No need to panic. Time, we're just from calculating the total time here. The t, let's see, 35 here, so we divide by 35. Remember, calculators are not allowed, so should be practicing. We're going to have something like 15.71 speed meters per second, and that's our final answer. Okay, here comes the next challenge. Let's go. As you can see, this is 2022 paper 1, question 23, as you always. The diagram below is the speed-time graph for an object. The object starts from rest and accelerates uniformly for 2 seconds until it reaches a speed of 10 meters per second. It then travels at this speed for 8 seconds and finally decelerates to rest after 5 seconds. Yeah, so the information is indicated in the given diagram. Then the first question A is saying, find the retardation of the object in the last 5 seconds. So in the last 5 seconds, they're talking about this time interval from here to there. Okay, retardation, remember, it's the opposite of acceleration. The only different thing is that acceleration is positive, then deceleration is negative. Okay, then deceleration, okay, when it comes to acceleration, this is our initial velocity, then this is our final. But when it comes to deceleration, this becomes our initial and this becomes our final. And for that reason, deceleration is always negative. Okay, so let's answer the first question. So retardation is equal to final velocity minus initial over time. Then our final velocity is 0. This is 0. So 0 minus our initial is 10. The time is 5. It's equal to 5 into negative 10 is negative 2 meters per second squared. That's our answer for question A. Let's quickly go to question B. Question B is saying find the distance traveled in the first 10 seconds. So in the first 10 seconds, we are talking about this distance from here to there. This distance, the first 10 seconds, except on this part. Okay, so when we remove this part, still we are remaining with the trapezium. We are going to use the same concept we used in the previous question. So this is our A and this is our B. This is our height 10. So we are going to say distance is equal to half A plus BH. Then distance is equal to half our A from here to there is 8. Then from here to there it's 10. Our height from here to there is 10. Then distance is equal to this can cancel with this, we remain with 5. Then we say 8 times 5 is 40. So 5 times 8 it's 40 plus 5 times 10 it's 50. So distance is equal to 40 times 40 plus 50. We're going to have 90 meters. So this is our final answer for B. Let's quickly go to question C, the last question. The question is saying find the average speed of the object for the whole journey. So the formula for average speed is distance over time. So first of all, we are going to calculate the distance, the total distance for the whole journey. Remember, we are just from calculating the distance from here to there. So we have to calculate the distance from here to there, so that we get the total distance for the whole journey. So this is a triangle. Then the triangle, when we are calculating the formula for a triangle, we say C. So average speed is equal to distance over time. So we have 90. We already have 90. So we're just going to add plus in. Okay, let's calculate the distance for the remaining triangle. We say half BH, then half the bread is 5, then our height is 10. So 5 times 10 is 50, divided by 2 is 25. 25 meters plus 90 meters. This is our total. We're going to get the total distance for the whole journey. We're going to get 115 meters. Then we come here, we say 115 divided by the total time is 15. What are we going to get? We're going to get 7.6 meters per second. And this is our final answer. And we are done with 2022 for both internal and GCE.